Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I know a lot of you guys been asking me for this recipe and I can finally say it's here. It's Pinda Saus. A delicious peanut spicy sambal sauce. I will list the ingredients in the description box below. Check it for the Dutch version and just follow these easy steps. Trust me, it's super easy. I want to thank my mom for helping me with this one, and I hope you guys enjoy it when you do make it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Let's go! So first you're going to need about 3/4 cup of oil, and then you're going to need 500 grams of peeled peanuts. Make sure to put it in some hot water first, and then you strain it. Now you're going to fry it up in some hot oil until it's golden brown. And then you remove it and place it in a strainer so the excess oil can leak out. Next, you're going to want to use some shrimp paste. This is optional. We call this shrimp paste trassie. It stinks, but I love the smell. Then you're going to use 5 garlic cloves and a scotch bonnet. We call this in Suriname adjuma. Fry it up, and while that's frying, you're going to use your chopper or your blender, and then you're going to blend your peanuts, your fried peanuts. Make sure to stir a bit until it's slightly burnt, slightly brown, and then you're going to remove it from your oil. This is how the texture looks when blending it. Add your garlic trassie and your scotch bonnet and blend it together with the peanuts. If the texture of the blended peanuts is too dry, you can add some of the oil to moisten it up. Now, add your blended peanuts to the rest of the oil. Then you're going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of kentjoer. This is aromatic ginger. Then you're going to use some tamarind paste. I'm going to use about 1/4 teaspoon of that. This is what makes the peanut sauce a bit acidic, a bit sour. Then you're going to add your brown sugar. You can add 3 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, depends on how sweet you like your peanut sauce. And then you're going to add a bit of salt and let this fry up, let this cook. When this is finished, you're going to make your sauce. This is what you usually buy in the supermarket or in your toko, where you still have to add your hot water to make it into a sauce. Place it in a bowl, add your hot water, and keep mixing for better results. You can add that to a smaller pan, add your hot water, and leave it cook on really low heat until it's nice and thick. I said it was easy, right? I hope you guys try it out. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and share this with your family and friends. By the way, it goes really well with my satay recipe. Check it out.